Hello everyone. Now we'll continue with the operators topic in Java. So we are at shift operators. So what are the shift operators? These operators are used to shift the bits of a number left or right, thereby multiplying or dividing the number by 2 respectively. So they can be used when we have to multiply or divide a number by 2. So general format number shift operator, then your variable. So left shift operator shifts the bits of the number to the left and fills 0 on voids left as result. Similar effect as of multiplying the number with some power of 2. Now signed right shift operator and unsigned right shift operator. There is a no unsigned left shift operator, only unsigned right shift operator. So signed right shift operator shifts the bits of the number to the right and fills 0 on voids left as a result. So the leftmost bit depends on the sign of initial numbers. So similar effect as of dividing the number with sum of power of 2. Unsigned shift the bits of the number to the right and fills 0 on voids left as a result. The leftmost bit is set to 0, and then we'll see the practical for this. If I want to perform the left shift operation, then either I can declare the variables or I can perform it directly. So we'll declare a variable A, B, C. A is equal to, will initialize some value, for example 10, and B is equal to 2. C is equal to A left shift operator and 2. Now A is 10 and 2, and specifying the 2, that means I want to shift that one 2 times left side. So C is equal to C. First we'll check the result. Run the file. 40. Why it is giving 40? Because you can convert this 10 into the binary number and you can shift that numbers on the left side. Or the easy way to calculate this is, if I am performing the left shift operator, then what I can do, 10 into 2 raised to whatever I have given value here. That means 2 raised to 2. 2 into 2 I can perform. So the result of this is equal to 40. What if I give there C is equal to A 3? So 10 raised to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 raised to 3. So the result will be 80. We'll check that. You can see here 80. Now we'll go for the right shift operator. If I write A right shift 2 and then so what is result expected here? So when I'm doing the right shift operation, in that case what we can do here, 10 divided by 2 raised to 2. What will be the result? 2 something, because it will not show in the point. So for right shift, we'll perform the division, and for left shift, we'll perform the multiplication. Okay, the answer is correct. This is the easy way, or you can convert it into the binary, then you can shift it and then you can check that binary value. You can convert that binary into the decimal. But this is the easiest way to calculate it. So if I give here 3, then we'll perform the 2 into 2 into 2. Suppose if I give here 3, then 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so it is 1 because 10 divided by 8. So 8 ones are, and the remainder is 2. So the division is 1 here. So it is returning us 1. Now last operator is instance of operator, that I'll explain you when we'll go for the inheritance topic. Now I'll just explain what is the use of this instance operator. The instance operator used is to check that is the particular object is instance of that particular class or a subclass or an interface. So to check that, the instance of operator is introduced in Java. If you have any doubt, any query, you can post it in a comment. Thank you very much.